touch me, baby. I need to breathe up and come to home.